Andrew here with G6 Family. We're converting our old spare and junk storage room into a media room consisting of fresh new paint, a 4K projector with a 100-inch retractable drop-down screen, over 500 fiber optic lights, new furniture and curtains, and a brand new sound system. Step number one, we have to clean out all of this crap that has accumulated over the months.
TV is here. I prefer projector. And then the two black bean bags come downstairs.
Why not TV there?
Because
then the couch is like right by the door when you walk.
Because if the TV is there, then the only people that can see the TV are people that sit right here. It's like if you can't see the TV because it's blocked by that wall. Yeah, because we thought about that too.
Alex done. We have to go to my parents right now, so we'll start painting when we get back. I'm gonna see if it's faster with a step stool without a pole. A little too quiet in here. Need some tunes. What are we going to play? All right, got the ceiling painted. Took a while because black on white doesn't go on easy, but moving on to the walls with a little baby metal. All right, finished painting the room. Now I gotta hang the projector. I've already got the mounts on top of the projector. We're gonna hang it on the ceiling. The projector is gonna go right here and face this wall. But I have to hang it up perfectly to get the biggest picture I can. So the projector comes with these, so you don't have to hit a stud, which is great. This projector is really, really good. It autofocuses for you, and it makes a screen size for you depending on how far away the projector is. My projector is about 9 foot away, and it's about a 95-inch screen diagonal, which is great.
26.
Little typical gamer, won't hurt nobody. So we went to IKEA and we went to Haverty's to look for couches because this space right here where I want to put it from here to there is only 65 inches. And we want an L-shaped couch that goes from here all the way down. But most people don't carry those kinds of couches. But I did find one on Amazon that I think we're gonna get, but it's gonna take a week to get here. So we're gonna order that. We did find some curtains over at IKEA for these windows right here. We got this blue velvet type curtain. So let's get to installing these. They're gonna be too long, but I have to take them to my mom's because she is a sewer, so we're gonna have to hang those up.
That's crooked. It's leaning down.
No, it's not.
100%.
No, it's not.
Andrew! It's definitely.
Oh, because this thing is up higher. Because this thing.
Oh, we'll fix it. I don't want it crooked.
Okay.
Told ya.
Alright, so now we gotta start painting the baseboards because my wife wants them black. Okie dokie.
Read the box. Oh my god, it looks huge.
100-inch projection screen.
Roxanne. At first, he told me he wasn't getting a screen, that he was just gonna project it on the wall, so I'm glad we got a screen.
We need 3 people to install this, so I got Cohen and her. Okay, so what we're gonna do here, I know this is gonna be a little bit of a pain for y'all.
My arms are right
Keep going. You can turn it off now. Okay, hold this right here. Do not move it, so press it against the wall.
Simple.
It's like greasy.
Okay, let me mark it and then I'll just screw this in. Alright, go, just put it down and then I'll drill holes and then you'll come.
We'll be back.
But I don't actually go away. Hold on. This wire is the power to the motor that lowers the screen. So what I did was kind of get these cable organizers from Lowe's, which are, I just bought this cord mate, and I bought 2 90s. So let's rip up all this protective flooring paper. My wife wants some sort of stars up on the ceiling. So I bought some fiber optics and I have to make like a frame to install on the ceiling. So I bought this. It's very lightweight. I gotta paint it and run some pieces of board so I can attach it to the ceiling. I got 550 of them. I have to drill all of these holes. All right, got the holes done in one of the boards. I'm making 4x8 board and another 4x7 board because of my ceiling and obstacles on the ceiling. So I'm gonna do about 325 on this one and then do the rest on the other board. Since this is kind of like a foam board, I have to super glue each one of the fibers in the hole. Not super glue, but hot glue each one of the fibers in the hole so they will stay, and then clip them off on the other side. And I'm hoping the hot glue doesn't burn through this film. I got the first panel done, but I'm here by myself. So I'm gonna try to figure out how to put this up by myself. Well, that didn't work. I have helpers Milo and Porter.
Hi.
Cohen! Can you come help us, please?
Oh my gosh. Can you do it?
Hold on, I'm trying. Alright, we good? Okay. Alright, let me get some screws in there.
Oh my god, I was holding the whole entire time.
My bad.
I was holding the whole entire time.
Teamwork. Alright, first panel's done. Next panel I'm gonna have to put together up here. But before I start that, each one of these fiber optics I'm gonna have to cut just a little shorter. We got the second panel all ready to go get installed. We have the crew here. I have Porter, Milo, and Cohen.
Can you shut the front door?
Exactly, that's what I'm saying.
Perfect, okay. Porter, more right, come up here. Okay, push it.
We're pushing.
Hold on.
No movement allowed.
Come on guys, come on, we're almost there.
We're waiting.
Where's this?
Dude, what? Did we put her on backwards?
Oh, get a screw. Nothing like a little family project to get the argument going, right? All right, our couch just came in today, and the biggest fear that we had was it fitting on this wall. So we had to buy an L-shaped couch that comes all the way this way. I needed about 65 inches, and there's not too many couches that will fit that in this kind of L shape. So we searched and searched, found one on Amazon. Last piece of the puzzle, the surround sound. Soundbar, 2 little speakers that go in the back, and a subwoofer. Nothing too extravagant. This soundbar right here, I'm gonna hook right here. There's my power right there. So I had to buy a 30-foot HDMI ARC cable that'll give me sounds from the projector to the soundbar. And then the subwoofer connects to the soundbar, and then the 2 back speakers connect wirelessly to the soundbar. As much as I don't want to do this, I'm just gonna have to get in the attic and run it over it. So, oh well. Success. All right, sound check good. Back in the attic. I really need a plug right there because I have the power for the stars right there, and then I also need to put a speaker right there, but it needs power as well. And then I have to attach this speaker to that speaker. That's the wire for the speakers. So the cable that runs from the projector to the surround sound pops out right there. But I was going to hide it in the curtains that I haven't installed, but I changed my mind. I bought this at Lowe's. It's kind of a cable concealer grommet kit. So what I'm gonna do is run it along the wall or screen right there, and then push it in the wall and go in the wall and come out right there. Okay, well I just opened up this box for this concealer kit, and it didn't even have these grommets. All it had was a drill bit. So I gotta go back up there. I guess somebody stole it out of there and then returned it, or stole it in the store. So I gotta go back up to Lowe's and return it. Hey Colin, you ready, buddy? Now I have to feed this cable down that hole all the way in the wall, and it's gonna come out that one right there. All right, the curtains have been hemmed by my wonderful mother, so let's get them installed. Good. Thanks for watching our media room project. I hope you enjoyed it. We did. My kids love it. Wife loves it. And I'll put all the products in the description below. See you in the next video. Bye.